Today, we shall craft a secret pop-up pocket. A hidden treasure that remains entirely invisible until the perfect moment for its debut. In a world where every whisper is weighed and every glance is measured, having a place to conceal one's most private thoughts is not merely a luxury, it is a necessity for any elegant journal. Welcome back to Rosewood Manor Prints. I'm Azara, and today we are indulging in a bit of delightful deception. While our pages are often admired for their botanical beauty, today we focus on the thrill of the unexpected. This pop-up mechanism is a triumph of paper architecture, designed to surprise and enchant anyone lucky enough to wander through your journal. Whether you are hiding a pressed bloom or a scandalous note, this pocket will guard your secrets with the utmost sophistication. Before we lose ourselves in the petals and parchment, I must take a moment to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your kind comments and the stories you share in our gatherings mean more to me than words can express. Knowing that you are here, crafting alongside me from your own corners of the world, makes every ribbon tied and every secret tucked feel truly purposeful. Thank you for bringing your light to our society. Before we continue, for the crafters that are new to the channel, do mark your journals. Our promenade gathers twice weekly, every Tuesday and Friday. To keep our journey seamless, I have curated a special playlist for you. Consider it your private library, where every past lesson remains at your beck and call. To keep current on the whispers of the ton, simply subscribe and strike the bell. It is, after all, the only way to ensure the footman announces the arrival of the next chapter the moment it reaches the parlor. Should you wish to procure these very same patterns and materials for your own journal, you will find a full inventory list tucked discreetly within the description box below. If these designs have captured your heart, the Botanical Secrets Collection awaits you in our Etsy boutique. Details are listed below, or if you are viewing on your parlor screens or television, let this QR code be your magic key. Simply aim your camera and click. The boutique doors are always open for you. Now ensure your glue pots are ready and your shears are at hand, for the mystery is about to unfold. This is a very easy project to make, and here's what you will need. So I have here a leftover piece from our collection, and it has this pretty design here. This is on the back. And this is printed on cardstock. We will also need a piece of scrap paper that is also on cardstock, and this is 1 inch by 3.5 inches. And then you will need a Fussy cut, and I'm using here a selection of our botanical tags. They are so pretty. They're also part of the collection, and they will go on the top and they will go on in the end. And that's why I haven't decided yet which one will look best with this. And then you will also need a pocket and one of the tags. I put a little selection together to make sure I can match everything up nicely. And I'm always using the Tim Holtz Distress Oxide, and this one here is in frayed burlap. So you simply want to fold over this piece like so in half. And then fold over the top part in half as well, like so. So there, and I inked around the edges here. check our card, how that would go. All right. Stay with me, for we are approaching the most crucial turn of our story. In just a moment, I will show you the exact hinge of fate, a specific fold that ensures your pocket rises with the grace of a debutante at a ball, rather than catching on the edges. If you wish for your pocket to glide effortlessly, you will want to see this precise placement. So now we will take our strip of paper here, and we will make a little fold here of about 1/2 inch, like so. And another fold and another fold here of 1/2 inch. Yeah. And look at just. And then we shall add this strip right here. And then simply fold this page like so. Now you have your angle for your pop-up. And here is our plant that we want to pop up. So when you add your fuzzy cut, you don't want to go too close to this edge here. Add some glue here on this part, like so. So I added the card here, and the next piece to this is the topper, so that this pop-up is going to be a real surprise. So we want this piece to be large enough to cover up this fuzzy cut, so that when you pull it, that it reveals the fuzzy cut like so. So I'm going to make a little mark for myself where to add the glue. And there we have it. A secret tucked within a secret, ready to be discovered by only the most observant eyes. I hope this bit of paper mischief brings a touch of wonder to your desk today. But our journey through the manor grounds is far from over. This Friday, the gates swing open for a momentous occasion. We shall be assembling Signature 4, Botanical Revelation. It is the crowning jewel of our collection, where the deepest colors and most intricate designs finally come to light. You simply must be there when the final petals unfurl. Until Friday, I remain yours in lace and ribbons and with much love, Asara. Good day.